Hello friends, welcome my channel, Prabal Chakraborty channel. This is today's discussions GATE 2014 problem. So friends, let G such that R cube tends to R cube be defined as G, x, y, z, 3x plus 4z, 2x plus 3 minus 3z and x plus 3y. So friends, whatever we see, Gx, y, z is equal to 3x plus 4z, 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3z and x plus 3y. So friends, this is my problem. This is my gx function gxyz, and x is equal to x, y, z belongs to R cube, and 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 1, and 0 less than equals to y less than equals to 1, and 0 less than equals to z less than equals to 1. So friends, I mark out the boundaries. This is my total boundary. So friends, if triple integral gs 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to dx dy dz is equal to alpha and integration triple integration s and g z dx dy dz. So friends, whatever we see, you will see that this is this integration under the function gs. So friends, I want to change the coordinate systems. It is we will know that a region G, capital G, a region capital G in x, y, z space is transformed region D in over space. So friends, G is my region and transformed over and transformed region D in over space. So friends, whatever you see, friends, you see that triple integrations triple integration f x, y, z equals to dx into dy into dz. So friends, we get this, and after that whatever you get the region is my G. I can say region is my G. So friends, I will get H. I just transform my coordinate h u v, w, and j u, v, w. This is value I get, and I get du into dv into dw. So friends, this is my total valuations, and my space and region should be changed because region is G and it should be transformed over D. This is the total formula, friends, and now you will see GS and transformed into S. So friends, J for Jacobian, you can see that J for Jacobian, friends, Jacobian. So according to the problem, in case of problem, we see that triple integration gs 2x plus 3y 2x plus y minus 2z dx into dy into dz equals to triple integration. Triple integration. So friends, I change my coordinate because you see that 3x and 3x plus 4z plus 2x minus 1, it should be in here. You see that this is my total coordinate. My coordinate is this is my coordinate, friends. So it should be changed. So I changed my coordinate and I can write this 2 into 3y plus 4z plus 2x minus 3z minus 2 into x plus 3y. This is my total, and it can be written dx into dy into dz. And also there is a Jacobian. So friends, x tends to is converted into 3y plus 4z in here. I just explain everything. And y transform into 2x plus 2x minus 3z, friends, and z tends to x plus 3y. This is my total transformation, friends. I hope that you can understand this concept. And this is the transformation, because I write in case of x and y, I just putting the value 3y plus 4z in case of in here. I just put x value in here and y value in here. So friends, I hope that you understand my logic. And after that, friends, I want to find out Jacobian. Jacobian is very easy. Jacobian, not if you know, it is a very basic discussions. So friends, here 3 quantities, so I need to write three facts. So friends, first element is del and del z. Friends, first elements I can write that first okay, del z, but del x. First del x, and x and 3y is upper term, means converted term is 4z, and you can write this way: del y you can write del y And what is our transformation, friends? Same things, 3y plus 4z, 3y plus 4z. Okay, this is the very simple. And another factor that I can write del z into 3y plus 4z. And now next, friends, del x and 3y plus 4z means, friends, 2x minus, in here y in term of y is 3z. So friends, I just write this value 2x minus 3z. Friends, you will see that y is in terms of, and after that, friends, what can I write? Del y, and my value is 2x minus 3z. And after that, friends, I can write del y into 3y plus 4z. So friends, I can write this way because my target is to find out to getting a Jacobian. That's why I am working this. And after that, I will write del z, and I just explain all overall details. Those who know every Jacobian and everything, they will not watch full videos. Whatever they want to collect the information, they can collect, because I never say that you will, if you feel that it is time wasting, then I do not say that you will watch full. X plus 3y, friends, and it can be written in here also, variable also change, del z into x plus 3y. This is the main, friends. You are now, I hope that you understand that how I can find out Jacobian. And after that, friends, whatever I have to do, again, next, friends, whatever I get, I am just putting the value, because the derivative first term is 0, and second, whatever I get, I get 3, and second, after that I get 4, and next portions I get, whatever I get, next portion I get 2 derivatives, and derivative 2 and next I get it 0, and next I get minus 3, and next I get 1, three, and next I get 0, and whatever I get after that, minus 9 plus 24, and after that the value should be 15, friends. Now Jacobian value, I get the Jacobian values. This is my main target, to find out Jacobian values. Now whatever I see, the triple integrations, gs can be written 2x plus 3y, not 3y plus y minus 2z into dx dy into dz equals to, friends, this way I get this value, and just calculating this value, because my previous 6y because 2 into 3 is equal to 6, plus 4 into 8 plus 8z plus 2x minus 3z minus 2x minus 6y. I get total value whatever I multiply, because 2x minus 3z, friends, you will see, and after that I multiply 2x plus 3y means minus 2x plus 3y means 6y, and after that I am putting the Jacobian value. Jacobian value is my 15s. Next whatever I get in here z into dx into dy into dz, and to 15 into, and after that if I will if you see that 2x and 2x is cut and 6y and 6y is cut, so whatever I get 8z minus 3z is equal to 5z. So my value should be 5z, and in here in outer side is 15, so my value is 75 integration, and my region is S, where my region is S, and z into dx into dy into dz. So friends, whatever I get values, my alpha values is 75. So friends, I hope that you can understand. Thank you for watching.